Hello and welcome to the video lecture on operations on signals. Today in this video we will discuss about the operations on the independent variable t or n. So let us discuss all these three basic operations in detail along with one example. The first operation in this is called as a time shifting operation. In time shifting operation we can either shift the signal towards right or towards left. And depending upon that, again there are two types in time shifting. One is called as a delay operation, in which we are going to shift our signal towards right, and second operation is called as an advancing operation, in which we are going to shift the signal towards left. So these are two basic operations, that is delay and advance, which come under the time shifting. The second operation, normally this delay operation is represented by x of t minus 2, and advancing is represented by x of t plus 2. Now the second operation is called as a time folding operation. In time folding, actually we are going to reverse or fold the signal about the vertical axis. So it is represented by x of minus t. It is also called as a time reflection. And the third operation that we are going to carry out is the time scaling operation. In time scaling operation, it is generally represented by y of t is equal to x of a t. So if the value of A is greater than 1, then it indicates the compression of the signal, and if the value of A is less than 1, then it represents the expansion of that particular signal. So these three are the basic signals. Now let us discuss all these three operations with the help of one example to get the better clarity. So this is our original signal x of t, which lies between minus 1 to 1, having amplitude is equal to 1. Here we want to sketch the different signals. The first signal that we want to sketch is x of t minus 2. So x of t minus 2 represents the delay operation, and in delay we know that we are going to shift the signal towards right by 2 units. So let us see the delay operation now. So see, here the signal is shifted towards right by 2 units, which is called as a delay. Similarly, the next we want to sketch x of t plus 2. So in x of t plus 2 we are going to shift the signal towards left by 2 units. So let us see. So this is called as an advancing operation, where we are going to shift the signal towards left. So now the signal will lie within minus 1 to minus 3. But remember, in both these cases the amplitude will remain the same, because here we are dealing only with the t axis. The next example is a time folding, but in this case even if we flip the signal about the vertical axis, we will get the same signal, and therefore the x of minus t will be same as that of x of t. And the last is a time scaling operation. So in time scaling, this first one represents the expansion. Here we have sketched the signal x of 1 by 2t. So here if you can see, x of 1 by 2t, that means the value of A is equal to 1 by 2. So which is less than 1, and if it is less than 1, it indicates the expansion of the signal by that amount, and therefore you have to multiply by 2 to the original signal. So the signal is expanded, and now it is lie between minus 2 to plus 2. And here it is a compression is represented. So compression means it is represented by x of 2t. So in this case the value of A is equal to 2, so which is greater than 1. So if it is greater than 1, it represents a compression, and therefore if you can see, the signal is compressed to half, because here we are going to divide this minus 1 to 1 by 2. So the signal will be compressed, and now it lies between minus 0.5 to plus 0.5. So these are some of the basic operations that are performed on continuous time variable. So if you like my video, then please share the video with your friends, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, then please subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys. Thank you so much.